Okay, I'm back on this. Check this out. It's off. It says 12. As you can see, the alternator is not charging. It should be reading 14.3, 14.5. So let's remove all of this to get to it. Let's do it. Okay, so this is off. Now we're gonna take this bunch of screws like these on the side here. So this has to come off. Don't forget to, I gotta unbolt this. Struggle to take this off a little bit. You have to lift the right side first, and it's easy if there's two people. One lifts on the left, one on the right, and you lift it up. So it's very tight here, so you lift the whole thing up and it should come out. Take the belt off. It goes right there, and then you twist like you open it. Goes the left, and then you pull the belt out slowly from here, so the belt is out. Now there's two screws. One there, one there. I think they're 13. This is the new one. So there's in the back, there's this, which is a 13, and then there's this plug here, and then the screws that go at the bottom. So let's see what this is. I guess this is on the side. Looks like it's on the, yeah, on the side here. Okay, let's take off the old one. Okay, let me show you. In order to take that screw off, the best thing is to unscrew this piece from here. This from the cooling, so you don't break it. And then you can go between here and take that bolt out. See, I took it off from there. Okay, I took out the side plug. It wasn't too bad. So now I removed this so I can stick my hand through there. I'm gonna try to remove the nut with this, the air gun. And then this should come out. And I put a heavy duty screwdriver underneath and pushed it up, and it came out. Okay, so you take it out between these two hoses, and it's easy if there's two people. You see it goes in there, the alternator. It's on the side, goes in it like this, and you just unclip it from here and you pull it out, and this is where the 13 goes in the back. Okay, let's put the new one in. So do that so the new one can go in more easy. Both sides. So the new one is almost 10. What I'm doing, I'm trying to put in the back the red bolt. Where is it? Over there. You see it? And then with the air gun with this, back on. The little wire in the back kept coming out, so just be careful with that small wire. With this one, let me show you. The one that goes here keeps coming out. I don't know why, but I'm hoping it's in. But that's it. So now everything goes back. Okay, let me show you. See, and then we're gonna start the engine. That's it, I'm done. Thank you for watching.